welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It really helps me out with the algorithm. Thank you. And today we're going to talk about the 5 best cello warm-ups. Number 1, this may seem obvious as heck and you're like, really? Yes, really. This will most definitely help you with bow control. I had done these exercises when I was young. I would do this with my teacher and do a little competition, a little game with her and see who's gonna win. And the game is to see how long you can hold the bow. Hold the bow for as long as you can without breaking in the sound or stopping or anything. So like this. You try to be as consistent as you can and still have a decent, good sound. And be slow. And I used to be able to do like a minute, 2 minutes, not 3 minutes, maybe a minute and a half. But now I'm talking while I'm trying to make the YouTube video, so. But the point is do it on all the strings, because each string you have different mixture of weight and also speed, so you have to adjust accordingly. So I really recommend that. If you're bored watching TV, guess what? Just go like this and just see how long you can hold it. Yeah, and this is a great warm-up exercise because it helps you to just adjust your arm and your weight and everything and to get your bow going and moving. So that's the first exercise and great for any levels, including beginners. Number 2, this is my favorite exercise, and I remember when I went to Juilliard with Lisa Wildstein, we were in the same studio. You must know her, she's a famous soloist, and she used to do that one as well. We all kind of did. And I remember thinking that she did the same warm-up as I did. So I kind of picked it up from her, but she would just go like this. So why is this so great? It's great because it gets your fingers moving. And also, the other thing about it is it teaches your fingers to come down together. So if you did your fingers like this, that's really wrong. It also makes you go really slow. So you want to just move your fingers and make sure they're working as a team of 3 when they come down. Coming down, they work as a team of 2, right? So 3, 2, and it really not only helps you with the agility of your left hand, but also it strengthens your hand. So this is a great warm-up as well. This is definitely more for intermediate to advanced students, and you can find this exercise in the link below. I will link it, but it's from Cosman. Number 3, this is a slightly easier version of like number 2. We start on D, let's say. Do it slower, more for beginners. Again, this teaches you agility and also the fingers working as a team and strengthening the muscles. You can use different strings and different notes. You can play it anyway. So that's a great exercise. Before, this seems again very obvious, but I have a very specific way of doing scales as a warm-up. That is great for vibrato. So this is a vibrato and also overall warm-up, which is to play a scale very, very slowly, but you're focusing on your continuous vibrato and sound production. That your left hand never stops vibrating and that you are adjusting your sound accordingly on each string. Again, as I mentioned, you are using a different mixture of weight and speed on each string, and as you go higher you become lighter and less weight but a little bit more bow speed, and conversely when you're on the lower strings, especially C string, use a little bit less bow, a little bit more condensed, a little bit more weighted. So you have to make these adjustments and you want to just find the sound. It's what I call finding the sound, which is so important in your practice, in your warm-up. So I really spend the time to find the sound and also make any necessary adjustments to my body so that I can have the most vibration and resonance in my sound. So I will do this and then also work on the vibrato at the same time. And then you go through the entire scale. So that's number 4. and that's for all levels. Number 5, this is an excellent exercise so that your bow becomes straight. Do the scale, but go from tip to tip. That gets your arm warmed up and gets your bow straight. And also you can practice the scale and make it in 2. And it helps you with bow control. So you can use this to warm up. See, I didn't have very good control because I wasn't holding a bow. So that teaches you to hold a bow with the fingers a little bit more. Okay, I hope that you found this video easy and helpful. Comment down below if you have any specific requests in terms of cello tutorials you would like me to do. I read all the comments, so I'm happy to do one of your requests. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And also I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Cellist Wendy Law. And of course, my shirt. Check it out. Thank you so much always for your support, and I'll see you next time.